Let's dive right in. So we're gonna end up adding a HSL layer to the beginning layer. This is just gonna be able to put it all in black and white. Just make sure that like it looks all right. That way, no other colors are being messed with. Anyways, we clip that to the layer. Clipping it is just putting it inside or underneath the actual layer. We then go in and start adding a rectangle actually to the layer. From there, what we can do is make sure this is done. All right, from there, what we can do is add a gradient. From the gradient, what we do is just recolor the one on the right to like a reddish tint. It could be honestly any color that you guys want. I'm doing red for this instance. We can then bring the opacity on the other layer down, and then what we do is in our blending modes we choose either soft light, hard light, or I think for this one I'm going to end up using color. It's just a lot easier, and it looks nicer too. So we use the gradient tool just to adjust how it's viewing, and then we change the opacity so it's not so bright and it's not jarring. From there, we can duplicate the layer, then transform it from, or flip it horizontally, and then we can change the color to a bluish color. And from that point on, all we have to do is just make sure that it looks all right. I think what I'm going to end up doing is just bringing the opacity just slightly down, and then, or slightly up, and then changing the angle that the gradient is affecting it, so a little bit more from the downward position than upwards. Just playing with it just slightly, and once we got that, I think all I have to do left is fix this exposure. It's kind of messing with me. I'm gonna do a curves layer, or a curves adjustment, and then from there all I'm gonna do is just slightly adjust it. Not to where like I look bland, but more of like a cinematic kind of view is what I would describe it as. Still playing with it. You can just press Ctrl Z if you mess up, and then just go back and just play with it a little bit more. And there we go. We're pretty much done, and all we have to do is just save the file. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's short, but I wanted it to be quick and easy for you guys. Alright, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.